How to invest in crypto with M1 Finance. So you may have heard me talk about M1 Finance in previous videos. It's one of my favorite investing platforms. And I got this email a couple of months ago. So on July 11th, it says a note from the CEO, crypto's coming to M1. So it talks a little bit about cryptocurrency, what they're going to offer. And then here you could request early access. Of course, I filled that out. Then just a couple days ago on September 9th, I get this email saying it's time to open your crypto account. And so I was saving that till time that I could sit down and record and share it with all of you. So open a crypto account. If you haven't created an account with M1 Finance, I'll put my referral link down below in the description. You can follow the steps laid out there and both of us could earn some free money. All right, so I'm gonna log into my account. Okay, so select account type. So there's a new crypto account. That's what we're going to create now. Click on that and click on continue. And does everything look okay? Account type, crypto, confirm, create a crypto pie. That's what we're going to work on today. One thing before I move on, I'm not a financial advisor and nothing in this video is financial advice. It's for purely educational purposes. Before investing in any cryptocurrency, stock, bond, ETF, real estate, or anything else, you want to make sure to do your own research. With that said, let's see how it is to invest in cryptocurrency with M1 Finance. So you can see here the results for cryptocurrencies available right now. There are 10. So we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, Litecoin, Cosmos, Chainlink, and Algorand. So if this is like the pies that we create for stocks and ETFs, we want to select what we want to invest in. So we say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, and Litecoin. This is just for illustrative purposes. This isn't what I'm saying that you should set up as your portfolio. But if we chose these 6 to invest in and then click add, it should create our pie. So coin successfully added to your pie. Cool. Close. Okay, so JJ's crypto portfolio. Okay, so now what we need to do is choose the percentages for each one. So what it's going to do is get as close to equal for each of them as a starting point. But if you wanted to invest more in the better known cryptocurrencies and less in the others, maybe it would be something like this as an example. Okay, so let's see, does that add up to 100? I think so. Let's say hypothetically, this is the portfolio of cryptocurrencies we want to invest in. So 50% Bitcoin, 30% Ethereum, and then 5% for Solana, Polygon, Avalanche, and Chainlink. If we were good with this for a portfolio, let's click on continue. Okay, so deposit into JJ's crypto portfolio. One of the things I think this might be helpful for is if you saw my video on recurring purchases for cryptocurrency, you have to invest $10, $20, $25, or $50 in each cryptocurrency for some of the other exchanges. This may let me invest a smaller amount continually, but amongst these 6 cryptocurrencies. So it may just be a couple of bucks for the smaller percentages, allowing me to have the portfolio I want and invest small amounts. Let's see if this actually works. Frequency monthly, let's go to 10 bucks a week. Day of the week, how about Thursdays? Next, review and confirm. So minimal initial, okay, so initial deposit needs to be $100. And then we'll see in a second what we can do for recurring. Create a recurring deposit. Let's turn that off and go to review and confirm. Okay, so amount 100 bucks from SoFi to my crypto portfolio and confirm. Okay, so it looks like the initial deposit went through. You see buying power of $100. Auto invest is turned on. So basically if you have over 25 bucks, it will be automatically invested into your portfolio. If we scroll down further, what you're going to see is upcoming trades. You have 6 buys, so it's going to buy all 6 of these cryptocurrencies. M1 Finance isn't a platform for trading, so to buy and sell multiple times per day, it's more meant for long-term investing, to create a portfolio and to continually put money and grow your portfolio. You have a trading window at 9:30 in the morning, so if you have a recurring deposit set up, then the money will be invested at 9:30 in the morning, or you have a second window if you have M1 Plus. It looks like you can make on-demand trades if you have M1 Plus, 10 on-demand trade windows each month for crypto. But how I would think about this, and if you want to invest in crypto with M1 Finance, I think it is to create a portfolio, set up recurring deposits, and continually to invest and grow your portfolio. My initial deposit of $100 will be invested across the 6 cryptocurrencies at 9:30 tomorrow morning. Now let's set up a recurring deposit so that I can continue to grow this portfolio over time. So to do that, let's click on transfer and then recurring transfer. And then so this was a little confusing. I had to look at this just a second ago. So what I'll need to do is not the bank account that's linked to my investments. That's to invest in ETFs. I need to go down further to the crypto external, which is the same bank account, but that's how it's set up. And then to my crypto portfolio, the amount. So let's just do $25. Because I think if you were to send less than that, it would wait till you have $25 and then it would invest it. Let's just send the minimum amount to be invested, and let's send that on a weekly basis. Day of the week, let's invest on Monday and continue. Confirm schedule from SoFi to my crypto portfolio every week on Monday, confirm. All right, it's all set up, done. There's two quick things I want to mention before we finish the video. The first of which, there are fees to buy or sell cryptocurrency using M1 Finance. Let me show you where you can find out more information. Also, all this I'll link to down below in the description. Here's our main crypto page. If you scroll down further, there is an FAQ that says, are crypto accounts free? And so you can see here, crypto accounts have transaction fees, and you can visit here to find out more. So let's open this up, scroll down a ways, and you see crypto fees. There's no commission being charged by M1, but Apex Crypto, their partners, assessing a 1% or 100 basis point fee on all transactions on purchases and sales, reflected in the execution price. M1 and Apex Crypto have entered into a fee rebate agreement. If you saw my previous video on the lowest cost crypto exchanges, you'll know that 1% is a little bit high, but if you want to invest in cryptocurrency with a set it and forget it attitude, invest in a portfolio, I think that M1 Finance makes a lot of sense. And let me show you why. So I set up a recurring deposit of $25, and I'm only putting 5% of that into 4 of the different cryptocurrencies. So $25 times 0.05. So I'm investing $1.25 in 4 of the different cryptocurrencies. On other platforms, I can't set up recurring deposits with this low of an amount. So if you want to invest, say, $25 a week across different cryptocurrencies, that's not going to add up to enough to have a recurring deposit in those cryptocurrencies you're putting smaller amounts into. So I think this is a great way to invest small amounts over time across a handful of different cryptocurrencies. And I guess one other thing that I forgot to get, which could be a downside for M1 Finance, is the ability to have a wallet and to stake your cryptocurrencies, to send your cryptocurrencies to others. The things you can do with a lot of other exchanges isn't yet available with M1 Finance, but this is the first iteration. I got early access to it, so I'm sure there's a bunch of things that they have planned as far as other cryptocurrencies and other features. And I'm going to keep you up to date on all of that. If you want to see my full review video of M1 Finance, check out the video right here. Hope to see you in another video. Bye-bye.